Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Masal Putri, with number 2432078. And this video report, I would like to present my interactive website project using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This website contains educational information about difference between PNG, JPG, and CSG image format. Before showing the website, I would like to explain the project structure. This project contains four HTML files: index HTML, PNG HTML, JPG HTML, and SVG HTML. It also contains one CSS file called style um, style CSS for the website design, and one JavaScript file called scripts.js for adding interactivity. Finally, there is an image folder contain PNG, JPG, and SV image examples using in the website. Now I will explain the HTML file. HTML file is used to create the structure of the website. In index.html, I create the basic structure including the head and the body sections. In the head sections, I link the CSS file using the link tag in here. And in the body sections, I create a navigation bar containing home, PNG, JPG, and the SVG page in here. Below the navigation bar, there is a container with the website titles and additional articles and comparisons tables, explanation the difference between PNG, JPG, and SVG. At the bottom of the page, I add a footer containing the watermark required by the assessment in here. The PNG, JPG, and CSV page have a similar structure, but each page contains different informations and image according to its format. Like this. This is the JPG HTMLs. This is the PNG HTML. And this is the SVG HTMLs. Next is the CSS file. CSS is responsible for designing the appearance of the website. First, I reset the default margin and the padding to make the layout cleaner. Oh, sorry. Open the file CSS in here. First, I reset the default margin and padding to make the layout cleaner. Let's display a green colors. Theme because my student ID as a even number. I designed the navigation bar with a dark screen here. Dark screen, colors, and white text. And I also adding a hover effects to the navigations menu and buttons to improve the user experience. The content is displayed inside card with a shadow to create a modern appearance. The images are hidden by default using display none here. And finally, I designed to the footer using the same screen colors to keep the design consistent. Next, I will explain the JavaScript file, script.js here. JavaScript is used to make a website interactive. JavaScript is used, I create two functions. The first function is called show image or tampilkan, which display an image when the user click the show image button. At the same time, the button changes into the hide image. In here, the second function is hide image or sembunyikan, which hide the image again and restart the original buttons. These functions make the website interactive instead of displaying only static informations. And next, we demonstrate the website here. Um, this is the home page of the website. At the top, there is a navigation bar that allows user to move between different pages. In the center, this is a digital article explaining the importance of choosing the correct image format. Below it is the comparison table showing the advantage, disadvantage, and disadvantage, and the applications of the PNG, JPG, and CSV in the future. Third, um, this is the PNG page. PNG use lossless comparison so the image quality remains high. It also support transparent background, making it the suiting for the logo and icons. Now I click the show image button. As you can see, the image appears. And when I click hide image, this is image disappears again. And next is the JPG page. JPG use loosely a comparison resulting in the smaller file size. However, some image quality is lost during comparisons. This format is commonly used for digital photographer. The bottom work exactly the same as on the preview page. This is the JPG file. And last, this is the CVG page. CVG is a vector image format, which means it can be resized without losing quality. Therefore, CVG is ideal for logos, icons, and responsive website design. The image display button also works using JavaScript. In the conclusion, this website has It's content for the website page, a navigation bar, the educational content, interactive button, and the footer watermark on the every page here. HTML is used for the structure, CSS for the design, and the JavaScript for interactivity. That's all from me, and thank you.